Okay, so I've got my French vanilla churned. You turn it off now. And those of you who have watched me know that I have a video on YouTube about how to make gelato. So this is basically the same thing, but instead it's French vanilla. And it's gorgeous and rich. And I'm just going to show you how to make a ripple. I hope that I'm showing you that. And let's keep this in here frozen and get out as much of the, so you'll remember if you've seen those, that this comes out of the machine as a soft serve, and it gets even softer really fast. So I'm working quickly here. I also have tried to make a caramel ripple by pouring the caramel into the churner just at the end, but I ended up with caramel ice cream, which was delicious, but no ripple. So I'm trying this new method. Let's see if it works. So I'm going to put, I don't know, a third in to this freezing container. Can you see it? I just a third. Like that. So yeah, it comes out like a soft serve, and then you have to freeze it in the freezer further to get to the ice cream stage. So here's the jam I made. I'm going to spread it across this layer. It's quite thick. I went beyond the 105 degrees to about 107 degrees, so it became super thick. But I'm okay with that because at least it's not runny. Okay, so we've got our jam in there. Then we're going to put another layer of, I just put my head on the screen. Another layer of French vanilla. Help. I know there's only so much I can handle in one hand. And I'm wondering where my special other... Anyway, so let's kind of cover that and maybe put some more in. Like that. Maybe a little more. And then, you know what? I have to look for oh, here it is. I need that for later. Okay, so then we're gonna add some more jam. I think the entire jar is going in here. All right. If this got liquidy, it wouldn't have been a big problem because it would get frozen, and with all the sugars concentrated, it probably wouldn't be become crystallized. So we're just gonna put this and get it out of the center because I know that there's a lot in the center. And obviously well, not obviously, but now I know that if you put the jam in the machine, you'll end up with Blackberry ice cream, which isn't terrible. So we're gonna cover that with more French vanilla. See, it has that yellowish color. That's because of It's made with custard and 7 egg yolks. Okay. So we're just going to keep going. I'm trying to do it as quickly as possible because we don't want it all melting on us before it goes in for the final freeze. All right. And after a couple hours, I'm going to show you how it comes out, but it might not be tonight. The bottom of this super frozen item here, the freezing bowl, the mixer bowl, is really cold, and it's very difficult to get the bottom out. Even under hot water, it's hard. Okay, so we're gonna cover that, and we're gonna cover this piece of jam, and then we're going to just see how that purplish color comes out? That's pretty much fine. I don't know if I can get any more out. Oh yeah, I can, using the wooden spoon. I just don't want to waste any of the cold. And I also am trying to be very fast. There's a lot of cream and milk in this. 2.5 cups of cream, 2.5 cups of milk, 7 egg yolks. Okay. So now that goes into the sink. And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna do a little, I'm just gonna mix it up like that. So you get that swirling effect. And you can see it doesn't take much. But it's also not homogeneous, as if you put all the fruit into the churning device, the ice cream maker. And now we're just gonna smooth it off. Let's smooth it off. And that's gonna be Blackberry Ripple in about an hour and 2 in the regular refrigerator. And I gotta clean off myself. And yeah, it's gonna be good. Thank you.